Welcome traders, this is Mike Hamilton for Trade the Easy Way, and 2 days into this week and we are moving in a very tight range on the indices. This is moving in a 100-point range over the last 2 days. This is the Dow on the daily chart. So Fed tomorrow and Bank of Japan meeting on Friday. Bank of Japan expected to increase easing, but we'll see. Crucial level, trend line coming down. The highs, key fib area here coming across that we're at. What do I think is going to happen? Really hard to call at this stage. I think we can literally just mask this off. A lot of traders who are long, sitting in longs here, waiting to see if this can pick up on that good 2 days we had last week and extend itself further up. If we look at Elliott, we've had 1, 2, 3, so 4 could potentially leave us to an impulse 5. So what happens around here is really crucial, and I won't short that until we get a signal. In the meantime, you can see here we've got this 50 and 200 coming across. So if we can wander on up, this is going to close and potentially give us the move to the upside. So I'm not fighting the trend at the moment. We're not fighting a trend at any stage. So sit tight. The RSI is high, but RSI can stay high as long as it likes. Moving across to the DAX, similar story. Coming off this fib level, coming back, or this one's already coming back to the 200. And you can see I've marked off this major support level at 650. So waiting to see if that gets approached, and if it does, if that's going to hold. I mean, that's the most likely scenario for me on this one. We'll test 640, 650 and then hold and potentially make our move way up to 11,000, but that is just a scenario, not a trade setup. So I'm not trading tomorrow, and I will just wait for the Fed day to get out of the way, and then we'll see how the market reacts and see if there are opportunities after the Fed have announced. Euro US, and you can see this 110 is major support. We're just rattling around between that and Thursday's low at the moment, so this could just roll over, and this looks the most likely for this just to now we've approached this, and we break this low, break the 110, and then down we come from another leg. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, so we are potentially building up for leg 5, and 105 is the major support. But I mean, this could take, obviously, if we do break here, this could take a while to get down here. This move took about a week and a half, 2 weeks. So the same could be said of this. So if you're not in that, I think the best thing you can do is just wait till the Fed announcement and then come and look at this and see if that 110 is going to go. Bear in mind we're only 40 points above it as we speak, but we'll see where we are tomorrow. Pound, shallow, similar story. Dollar strength, distribution pattern, moved into the 50 EMA, still holding this range though. We have not moved out of this range for 2 weeks, which is 152.50 and 1,450, I think it is, at the highs. So it's time to get a decision, and it's finely balanced. So basically I would just look for breaks one way or the other. I'll be looking to see if we get a 3-wave move. So if the impulse wave at the announcement is down, I would wait until the pullback's out of the way and then see if I can get a leg to the downside.